Like what are the kits we are using in the microprocessor lab. So for second and third experiment we are using logic controller. You can just check it here. This is a logic controller kit. So this logic controller kit having, this is a PCI bus. Normally we are going to connect this PCI bus from a personal computer, and this is the power supply. You can just check it. Only you need to give plus 5 volts and a ground. And here we have, this is a port A, this is port B, and this is port C. So you need to take 2 wires for this power supply. This is your power supply. Okay, so and you can just find out here, this is plus 5 volts, this is ground, this is plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts. But for all the LED experiment we are using only plus 5 volts and ground. Experiment we are going to in the 7 segment. Right now you can just find out the very basic connections you need to do. So no need to have a much power supply also. So only the PCI bus, that's it. And your rolling fashion experiment where we are going to display help and fire either in a rolling fashion or in a BCD conversion. Everything we are going to do with the help of this 7 segment display. The stepper motor connections is somewhat different from the LED and the 7 segment. So initially what we are going to do, we are going to have this PCI bus. So then this is the power supply connection. We are going to have a VDD, ground, then we have a ground and a VCC. VDD stands for plus 12 volts, then 2 grounds, then VCC. VCC stands for plus 5 volts. So this is one what you have to remember in an exam. 12 volts, ground, plus 5 volts. Then one more thing what you have to do, from here you have to take one cable and you have to connect to this stepper motor. So I will just show you. So take this stepper motor right now. So stepper motor, so you just take the thick surface here, just take it and put it. So this part is for the stepper motor, and this part is for power supply. So the next experiment is on dual DA. You can just see here the dual DA kit. So we have a PCI bus. So then you need to connect this kit to this CRO. So for that one we are using one simple connection. So what we are going to do it. Yeah. So you have connected right now. So if you just connected, you can just check it here. 2 out and 2 grounds are there. You can just, again I'm going to rotate it right now. You can just check it here. 2 out and 2 ground. Right now what we need to do, 2 out. First we are going to check it right now. First 2 out we are going to check it. Yeah. This is what? 2 grounds, and this is what? 2 outs. Okay. 2 out we have to short it. This wire we need to short it, and we need to connect to the power supply probes. Power supply probes. So what we'll do, 2 out first we are going to connect. This is the positive. So then we are going to connect to this probe as well as, so the negative we are going to connect to this ground. So 2 ground are shorted, then it has been connected to this probe. So this is the connection between a CRO and the kit. It's over right now. So it's the time right now what you need to power supply. So for this power supply, again I can show you here, plus 12 volts, minus 12 volts, ground and VCC. So first wire you need to connect to the plus 12 volts. So next one is minus 12 volts, next the ground, and next one is the VCC. VCC stands for plus 5 volts. The final kit what we are using right now for the experiments is an elevator. So here again you can just check it here. There is a one PCI bus slot is there, what we have to do it. And the next one is what? The basic power supply. You need to require to connect plus 5 volts and the grounds. So in the elevator, the LEDs will start to glow from an up count and in a down wave fashion.